Welcome to the University of Virginia Library's homepage. We're glad you're here. You can always access this page by typing library.virginia.edu into any web browser, or Google UVA Library. From this landing page, you can access an abundance of information about the library and search for contents within the library. Let's take a tour. At the UVA Library, we are always happy to help, and we make it easy for you to connect with us. By clicking on Ask a Librarian, you are provided with a number of options for contacting us. You can type a question into the text box and then click Submit to be connected with one of our friendly staff members. Or you can email, call, or text us. You may find that you need to speak with a librarian who has expertise within a particular field. By clicking on Contact a Subject Liaison, you will be able to locate a librarian within your field of study and view his or her contact details. Returning to the Ask a Librarian page, you can also search the Frequently Asked Questions section, submit a new question, or browse by topic. You will see the Ask a Librarian icon throughout the library website. Always remember that we are here to help. Please view the tutorial, Getting Help, for more information. You can always locate the hours of operation for all of UVA's libraries from the main page. Before we take a look at the 4 categories listed in the menu of the page, let me direct your attention to the search bar. This is where you will connect with Virgo, the library's catalog of resources. By typing in keywords or titles, you will be directed to what the library has to offer. You can choose to learn more about the UVA libraries by selecting About. This includes information about the organization that makes up the UVA library, as well as quick facts and library happenings, such as the main library renovation project. By selecting Research, you can locate subject guides created by the library's subject or liaison librarians, access databases by title using the A to Z list, or connect with helpful tips and tools to make your research a more seamless process. On the right side of the screen, there are links to some of our more popular databases. Returning to the main library page, we can also click on Collections to learn more about the various ways to explore what the library has to offer, or to hone in on a specific collection. Finally, by choosing Services, you can find out about an abundance of services we have to offer, such as specialized services for undergraduates, graduate students, and more. Remember, the library page provides a wealth of information, so bookmark it and visit often. Still have questions? Don't forget, you can always ask a librarian.